so it was really hard searching for papers. So these are some website links, the Science Hub links that we can actually get some papers from, like this one, that one, this one, this one. So let's try the first one and see. Maybe you don't have institutional access. For the part of the institutional access, the second presenter is going to talk about it. This is just the without institutional access. We don't have institutional. How are you going to go about? Because I showed you, like, maybe Google Scholar, you get your papers, and but you don't have access. How are we going to have access to these papers? So we just go and see how we are going to access these papers, right? I paste the link, and then, okay, so this is the Science Hub page. So what do? Is it that we
Honorable
put
Sam,
the,
you cannot see your screen. You can't see that
my
screen. Yeah.
you can't see? Okay, hold on. Uh, this one.
And there's a question in the chat if you can show us
Okay.
how to use DOI to get a paper. Yeah.
Okay. So, okay, exactly. The DOI part is what was about to talk about. Okay, so the DOI parts, okay, here, let's see example. Like the illicit cancer and its implication that I searched, and they give me some papers, right? Can this screen be seen, the illicit page here?
Yes.
Okay, so I come here, social perception of cancer and their impact, and I want to get this paper, but then it took me to PubMed, in which it's also not there. So I can just copy the DOI, right? And then I come straight to Science Hub. The link is on the PPT. So if anyone wants the link, you can just get it from the PPT. Yeah. So we put the DOI right here, or if you don't have the DOI, you can also put the title of the article there. You just put the DOI there, just click on open. Boom. Okay, good. We have this paper here in their database. They have it, so automatically you have it for free. Whilst on LSITs, you are not getting it, but here you have it for free. You can just, since it's there, you can just click on download, and you can just download it straightforward onto wherever you want to save your papers, right? So that is how using the DOI. Maybe let's try another paper and see. Have some papers here. Okay. Let's try this one. This is a paper, it's a STEM tomography for tick biological specimen. So what you want to do when you find a paper is you want to look for the DOI, and sometimes it can be at the top, it can be at the bottom. So our own is to just look for it, locate the DOI. All right, here. I don't know
Honorable
if
Sam,
my,
we can't see.
oh, hold on. Uh, okay. Okay. I added this page. Okay. This page has been added. I don't know if it can be seen now. Can it be seen now?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay, let me see.
Okay, now we can see.
You can see?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so this page is what I'm talking about. Is the STEM tomography for tick biological specimen. Maybe you have a paper like this, just any random paper that I was reading the last time, and I want to. So the DOI can be anywhere. Maybe something can be at the top, can be here, it can be at the bottom, it can be maybe even at the last page, anywhere. So sometimes you have to take your time in order to find it. So I'm going through to see, okay, here, right? DOI right here. So the only thing I need to do is to just to copy the DOI, just copy the DOI and then use it to go and search for my paper and see. Okay, let me just use this one to see if I can just get it from there. Science Direct. Okay. All right, so I copy my DOI. So depending on which type of paper, you just have to look for the DOI on the paper, maybe the top, the bottom, anywhere at all. You just look for it and then you come back to your Science Hub. It's on the PPT. You can get the link from there. And then you come back and we paste our DOI right there and you click on open. Okay, this paper is also there, right? So in their database, they have this paper also. So you can get this paper from there. But then there's actually limitations. Let me look for more papers. Let's see. Let's try more papers. Okay. Pulse rate control of nonlinear gallium arsenide. Let's see. Let's look for the DOI of this paper. Okay, the DOI is here. Digital object identifier. All right, right here. So we copy that one and we come back to our Science Hub link. We paste it here and then open. Open. Why isn't it? Okay. Enter or open. Okay, right there. So this paper is actually not in their database. We can't find this paper here. So in this case, how are we going to do? So hold on a minute. With the one that we are not going to find on Science Hub, I will talk about it in a while. But then with the Science Hub, you just have to copy if you have the title of the paper, just paste it or the DOI. You look for the DOI on the paper and you come and paste it right here, and then you click on it and boom, to open. And if it is there in your database, you find it. But if it is not there, and then you have to literally use other means to get the paper. Okay, before I go to the papers that we will not get on here, I would like to talk about another thing else.